brake?
The Heim joint.
Where's the other one?
Hey?
You have the other one? Or?
I gotta get one.
Oh, I thought you had a spare. Or you brought me.
I don't know where it is. Boys, did you see that one? It wasn't good. I almost didn't make it. I came up to it and I was still moving, and this thing likes to stop and then go just the way the clutching is on it. I shouldn't have done that.
Nose dived into the...
Nose dive right into the side of the creek. And the water's high. Like, I've never seen the creek like that.
Oh, it's a foot deep at least or more.
Yeah. So there we go. We shot a video yesterday on...
Can you thread that in? The Heim joint? Thread in what's there?
Oh, no, it's pretty bent.
Try to jam it in there. You shot a video on what?
We shot a video on broken A-arms yesterday in the shop when we're getting everything ready. Some people, A-arms break. They're the sacrificial place. Either the arm breaks or the Heim joint breaks, or something's got to give, right?
I guess it's a ski-doo.
And then the whole front end just goes. That's where we're at.
Yeah, it's pretty molded.
It is. It's twisted. Yep.
So what's their plan here? Duct tape?
Leave it here.
Yeah, gonna get another...
Yeah, I'll get another one of these. I have another one at home somewhere. I'll just have to find it. Is that a drop? Oh, fuck. Ready? Yeah. Here we go.